Your Windows PC feels slow, but what if the real reason is hidden in your RAM cache right now? Let's check it out. So yeah, in this video, we're going to use an official Microsoft tool. First, right-click on the taskbar. Then open Task Manager. Now click the menu with the 3 lines. Go to the Performance section. After that, click on Memory. And here's something surprising. You'll see different memory types, including cached memory. In my case, it shows around 2.9 gigabytes. Yes, 2.9 gigabytes. On your PC, it could be higher or a bit lower, but it's still a big amount of cached data. Now I'm going to show you a simple method using a Microsoft tool. So first, minimize taskbar for a moment because we're going to switch things up. Open your browser and search for RamMap Microsoft. Click the first official Microsoft link. Download RamMap from there. It will download as a small zip file. Once it's downloaded, go to the file location. Instead of installing, right-click it. Choose Extract All. Let it extract completely. After extraction, you'll see a few files. Just open the RamMap one. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Then read the basic info and accept it and continue. Now the RamMap window will open. Keep Task Manager on one side and RamMap on the other so you can clearly see the difference. In RamMap, go to the Empty menu at the top. Select Empty Standby List. This clears cached standby memory and makes that RAM available for active use. And now you can actually see the difference. Your cached memory drops from GB level down to MB level, like 211 megabytes. Try it yourself and tell me in the comments how much your cache dropped. Still having issues? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.